Hi, this is Bill Springer, senior contributor at Forbes, and I'm here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show on board the Mangusta 44-meter Ocean. And all I can say is wow.
Welcome on board the Mangusta 44 in the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. This is the American premiere of this particular vessel. It's a boat that is designed to do transoceanic crossing. It's a boat very flexible that you can go in Bahamas, in the Caribbean, in the Mediterranean, doing the crossing on the bottom. All of the Mangusta boats are boats that are semi-custom. What is totally custom are the interior and some of the exterior areas. So as soon as you're coming in, you have the lounge area. And then you have a middle cabinet with a pop-up TV facing lounge and even facing dining table, divided by two ventilation trunks. Ventilation trunks that are a requirement to do transoceanic crossing. You're going to see a very nice connection between the inside and outside, and this is one of the tricks of our boat. You have your main lobby, the lobby where you have the guest side stair that is going up and down. We are now in the master cabin of our Oceano 44. That is a full beam master cabin forward on the main deck with a lot of big glassing and huge windows to have natural light coming in. What is unique about our boats, and especially the line Oceano 44, it's a full automatic balcony that you can open to the push of the button. In your master cabin bathroom you have skylights. We are now on the upper deck of the boat. So this is something unique. It's a big innovation from our side that we introduced in 2017. This is called the Mangusta Concept Fun Island. It's a fun island because, as you can see in the pool, the water is all around the sunbed, and in order to get on the sunbed, because it's an island, you have to walk on top of this bridge. The idea is to spend as much time as you can here on the sunbed with a nice jacuzzi in the front, with bubble and an amazing view when you are at anchor in the bay. In case one pool is not enough, you're taking a couple of steps and you are on the sun deck, where you have an amazing U-shaped bar and you have another additional infinity edge jacuzzi to relax and enjoy the panorama. So we are now on one of my favorite parts of this yacht, that is the Sky Lounge. So when you are here relaxing and enjoying your family time, you can see the water. And this is one of the most important social area. So you have your friends, your kid, you can see the game, whatever you want. When you are at anchor and you're starting to live your dream, what is nice, especially for the Northeast area, is the possibility to slide all the glasses and to eat or even live inside, outside in every single moment, with the possibility even to walk out and enjoy again your view.
There are many things about this boat that grab my attention, but the pools and the width of the boat and the floor-to-ceiling windows are definitely at the top of the list.